Welcome to this quick guide on keeping your Discord inbox clean by filtering messages from non-friends and reducing spam. If you're tired of random DMs from people you don't know, this is for you. First, open Discord and head to your profile. You'll find your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap it to access your personal settings and preferences. This is where you'll tailor your experience so your messages come from people you actually know. Next, dive into settings. Look for the option labeled Content and Social. It houses the controls that govern how you interact with others on Discord beyond your friend list. It's designed to give you more control without turning off essential notifications entirely. Within Content and Social, locate direct message spam. This is the hub where you manage who can reach you directly. You'll see different filtering options here. The goal is to reduce unsolicited messages while preserving the ability to receive legitimate ones from people you trust. Choose filter from non-friends. This setting specifically targets messages from users who aren't on your friends list. By enabling this, any DM from someone you don't know will be managed by Discord's filtering system. It helps keep unwanted messages out of your inbox and reduces the time you spend sorting through noise. With this filter activated, you still have access to messages that might matter. If someone you know tries to reach you and their message doesn't land in your main inbox, you can adjust your notifications later or set exceptions for trusted non-friends. This balance helps you stay responsive when needed while maintaining a calmer, more organized chat space.